OdneFill and OdneCure Obturation tutorial. After discarding the first drops of OdneFill, insert the tip until working length of the first root canal. Slowly apply OdneFill while withdrawing the tip until you see the blue material rising at the coronal section. Repeat this process in all root canals. After all canals are filled, remove any bubbles or excess material from the pulp chamber using a microbrush or a cotton palette. At this point, perform an X-ray to ensure that the obturation is complete. To photocure the material, introduce the OdneCure tip into the first root canal 3 to 5 mm from working length and activate the lamp for 10 seconds. Repeat this step in all root canals. After the apical third has been cured in all canals, wipe the tip . To photocure the rest of the material, place the tip in the pulp chamber above the first root canal and activate the lamp for 20 seconds. Repeat this step for all root canals and perform a second intraoral X-ray to verify the results as a last step.